Good morning, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus a very big box of Poshmark. Now, I know what this is, and it came in the mail the other day. It is a couple antique wool blankets and a really nice mohair scarf, shawl type thing. 4 cast iron with enamel onion soup bowls, which I figure are actually also good for heating up on the stove or in the oven and then putting in your bed to stay warm. Just a thought. Or you could put it in a fireplace or on the barbecue if you needed. And whew, look at that. And I'm pretty sure I've bought from this lady before, and she's really good at stuff like this. Oh, and also boiled wool sweater for me. I got a significant discount on this bundle. So here we have pure new wool. Guess it's not claimed or anything like that, but this is an antique or vintage, I guess you would call it. It's a little bit rough, but it's really good condition otherwise. And it smells fine. And then this, I saw this and went, oh my god, I love it. Wool is an amazing thing for winter. You can put it next to your skin if you can tolerate that. I can, I don't care. If it's a little bit itchy to start, my body just adds a little bit more oil and then I'm fine. And yeah, there's a few holes. This is also wool, 100% wool. Oh, an inside pocket. Well, no, not an inside pocket, but yes, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I will maybe try that on later. See, there's some holes, but that's okay. I know how to darn and embroider, and I don't know if I have any black wool right now, but I can make wool black. And yeah, so, and then we have one of these, which is put that under your mattress, or sorry, not under your mattress, under your sheet on your mattress. To keep you warm. If you really want to, you probably lie under it. And this is I think a double or a single size. Does it have any measurements? I can't remember, but yeah. And smells. Ooh, that smells nice actually. It's like it's been treated with woolite or something. And then here are I did not pay. Well, this was the listing for this, but with the discount, I did not pay that much. I think the entire order was $100 discounted from the price that each individual thing then added together was by about $100. I can't remember, but really nice. And it smells good again. And she did a pretty good job of showing pictures, so there's not like any huge holes. Ow! And she was wrapping these things up in it. These are I think these are from Holland. Ow! They're very heavy. They're from Belgium, I think. Yeah, Belgium. And there are 4, so they'll be in the 1 unit. Actually, they'll be in both because my father and my aunt are moving out of the other unit into a house, and then both of the apartments can be rented out, which is how the bills in this place get paid. The gym itself is sort of just like the money for other stuff, but the bills are paid by renting the units. So I'm a little annoyed that they decided that both the units would be empty for now, going on since June. So we are behind the 8 ball, as it were. But we can make up for it by getting the units rented out. So yes, here is another lovely wool little blanket. I figure it is a good thing to have. There's the empty box. Thank you, seller. Wonderfully done. And I mean, I've got, this is going to be, there's going to be, in this unit there are 2 bedrooms. So there's one, there's the other, and there's another one. So probably this one and this one are going to go in, one per bedroom, because if we ever have trouble with the heat, the synthetic comforters are not actually that warm, particularly since a lot of them have polyester in it, which is plastic, which means they don't breathe that well, and your body heat, even if you're not sweating, you do give off dampness. And in the winter, the devil in the winter is not the damp or the cold, it's the dampness. So with that in mind, wool, even if you get wet, will keep you warm. And if it gets extra cold in here, say we don't get the generator on right away or whatever, we have the ability for our tenants to keep warm. And this one I might keep myself, or eventually when we rent out the other one, get 2 more, because there's going to be 2 other bedrooms up there, and then everybody stays warm in the, in the chill. And this is the Mohair. Yeah, Mohair. Nice and soft, unlike some of the other mohairs I've ever felt that were extra itchy, which now in hindsight I know it's because they lost their lanolin sheet, which is basically the sheep grease, or in this case, well, mohair I think is also goat. But if there's not enough of the grease from their skin, sort of like with our hair grease, then it gets very itchy. But if you keep it properly lanolized, then you have soft and warm all in one. So yeah, this is an excellent haul from the wonderful seller. And here's my new, it's a very beautiful boiled wool. So anyway, everybody, hope you like what you see. Comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share. Sharing is caring. And I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome. Stay adventurous. See ya.